Hey everybody, Dave Cook, D'Franco Painting Wallpaper, and as you can see, we are outside. It's a beautiful morning, and here is a barn we are working on. It's an older property, older building, but overall the the building and siding is still actually in really good shape. So we're gonna do a quick tour of this, and can you paint this stuff? Absolutely. What are things to look for? What are things you need to replace? But you know, what's the sound area? So what can save you some money when repainting an older barn, older house that just needs some TLC. All right, so as you can see, parts of this barn have been definitely left to be not good. So part of it's definitely rotten. There's holes. Some of these boards are definitely have to be replaced. Like all of those are coming off. But like when you see this area, it's just a lot of loose paint, but it's not necessarily a bad board. So this is one of the worst sides. And so there's 4 boards that are being replaced here. But then when you come to the other side of the barn, we power washed it, and we actually put primer on here. So we used a pretty strong power washer to get all the loose paint off. And then now we have peel bond primer. So a couple areas we still have to caulk and put some wood filler in there. But overall, this side of the barn turned out really, really well. Some of the boards, they're not great, but we're just looking to get, you know, if we can get another 5 years out of this, this is great. And this is a great affordable way to get another 5 years out of this thing. So again, we use peel bond primer, and I put a little bit of a gray in there, and I just loaded it up. So it sucked it up. It took 5 gallons of paint to do this side and then a side like this. So it really pulled in the paint. And then if we use like Rejuvenate, Rejuvenate, or another, I can't remember the Benjamin Moore one for older type projects like this. Same thing, it's gonna keep building on those layers and really lock it in, get a nice tight fill. And then again, you're gonna get a good 5 years out of it. Good acrylic product, a lot of water repellency, not a waterproof, but a lot of water repellency will help go a long way too. We used a brush and a roller on this. You could spray it, but you're definitely gonna want to back roll because you want to make sure all those little grooves are getting paint. You want to make sure every single thing gets paint on there, and you want to kind of get the roller so it works it in. So you want to make sure you take the time to do that also. So if you have an older barn that looks rough like that and it's got a lot of peeling paint, it can be painted. It just takes a little bit extra time. Power wash wise, I used a little tiny like DIY one in part of it. I didn't get VAR and actually broke. So I just went to Home Depot. I rented one. It was like 3,000 PSI. I think I spent $50 for 2 hours to power wash the whole outside. We still have some of these paint chips to pick up. And we're just gonna use a leaf blower and flip it around with a vacuum attachment to suck the rest of the stuff up. And I took my time, up, down, and actually took out some of these boards you see there where it has that flaking. It actually ripped that stuff off. So all the loose wood and stuff that was not good, it actually popped it right off, which is a good thing because now we knew exactly what we needed to do. That was one of the areas that was kind of surprising how much of the plywood siding stuff came off. But underneath that part's really sound. It looks bad, but it's not. It's just like a veneer that was on top there that came off. So again, peel bond primer over it. And we just did 1 coat, and then we're gonna put 2 coats of paint. We're going red, going big. So some of these places may look rough, but I don't care if it looks rough. It's a barn. It's a functional thing, and I just want to get another 5-10 years out of it if I can. So I know I'll get 5 out of these boards that are right here. Some of them, like I showed you, we'll have to replace those. If you got questions on exterior painting, what boards you have to replace, what you can keep, what you have to fix, what products to use, give us a call, let us know. We'll have to see how I can help you love the place you're in by helping you repaint.